Obaseki don yarn tertiary institutions. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don urge tertiary institutions for the state make them find another source of funding. Take ensure say higher institutions dey plus address the issue of no money. Obaseki give the charge when he dey deliver his speech for the 3rd and 4th convocation ceremony of the Edo State Polytechnic wey hold for the school main auditorium for USEN, Ovia North-East Local Government Area of Edo State. The convocation still confirm honorary fellowship award on 4 Nigerians wey include the Edo State First Lady, Mrs. Betsy Obaseki, for their contribution to the development of the state and the country. The governor wey the deputy, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu represent, list some of the areas we need to explore like endowments, grants, consultancy services, and commercial ventures, among other things. Obaseki say the administration take ogbonge decision, take achieve the objective, turn the institution to world-class polytechnic. He still celebrate the First Lady for her award wey recognize her role wey put end to gender-based violence and discrimination of women and girls.
As you all are aware, the Edo State government, under the dynamic leadership of His Excellency Mr. Godwin Obaseki, is undertaking fundamental reforms of the education sector in order to produce the required human capital for the economic development of our state. In the case of Edo State Polytechnic, USEN, the state government has taken bold steps and hard decisions to achieve its objective of turning the institution into a world-class polytechnic.
Betsy Obaseki notes say with the current educational development for Edo, the state will soon become the ogbonge technical manpower for the state and Nigeria at large.
If the current government and future governments continue in this stride and continue to retain competent, capable, visionary, sacrificial people like Professor Falodun to continue to oversee the affairs of this institution, committed and dedicated, hardworking and progressive people, then there's no reason why this institution shouldn't be reckoned with as one of the top polytechnics.
It's a thing of joy to see the seed that I planted almost 20 years ago. Germinating, it's growing. Commendation must go to our governor, Mr. Government, for giving it free to continue. Just like the First Lady said, when we are elected to serve the people, because no matter which party we belong to, we should remember whatever projects we embark on, it's not for personal gain, it's not for personal recognition, but for the benefit of the masses. So the previous administration, the administrations after my tenure, also decided to abandon the projects they will do well. But thanks to the present administration under the good leadership of Abadon, that the place is taking shape, as you can see. A lot of construction is going on, and the rector is very dynamic, very forward-looking, very futuristic. So all of us must give the necessary support to succeed.
From Benin, Osatoame Ogbede, 40MC News.